Hello. Just so you know, your stop's being recorded. You can see your license and insurance. We're stopping you. The plates are expired on the vehicle.
Oh, fuck. my damn girl up here with the damn plates in that damn trunk. She right up there at the cleaners. I was just going to get them right now.
Okay.
Contact with the bus driver.
She right up the street.
There was two kids smoking in the back of the bus. They got off the bus. It's a 19 call.
Okay, just give us a few minutes. I might have you walk up, though, because I can't tell if this looks like him at all.
What's the insurance under?
Well, it's under his girl, Sarah Williams.
Okay. You mentioned his brother, right?
No.
I'm making upstairs.
You're probably thinking of another stop we were on. This is out of New Jersey. It's a long number.
Okay. Can you ask if another form of identity? Will they give me this?
Yeah, go ahead. Heading down the alley. Hi. He might be on the next block over. He cut through one of the yards. He went to this way. He cut through one of the yards. He might be going down the block. All right, put your hands up. I got him in the yard. Put your hands up. Put your hands up, sir. Keep your hands up. Yes. Put your hands up, sir. Step up the stairs. Come up the stairs. All the way up the stairs. In the alley, still on 79th. That car I spoke to, if they can come back to that yard. Put your hands in the air.
I don't have shit.
Okay. Put your hands in the air. Come up the steps. Turn around. Turn around. Keep your hands up. Turn around. Keep your hands up. Put your hands up. Keep your hands up, sir. Keep your hands up, sir. Keep them up. Sir, I'm gonna tase you. Taser, taser! Oh. Taser deployed! Taser deployed!
Watch out, watch out.
I'm gonna tase you again, sir! Stay down!
Squad, we're just west of Langley. On the north side of
Get hit behind the back! Get hit behind the back!
We're all together. You can slow it down. We put him in custody. Give me his other hand. Was our car seat?
We got him. Motherfucker. Come on, get up.
Get the fuck up, dude!
Come on, get up. Get up. Get up.
Did you call for an ambulance for him?
Get up.
What you got on you? Hold on, just
Can you
let him say
get
here.
an ambulance? We deployed the taser. 17624. You have reach into the side.
Why the hell are you running, dude? We'll figure it out in a second. Yeah.
Oh, my camera's.
Yeah, it is just our plane.
What's that about his foot right there?
Well, it's something.
It's
Yeah,
attached
put
to.
stuff on him before.
We'll have to shake down.
No, not us.
Oh,
Time
they're
for
good.
we're here in the with the offenders.
Stand up. Stand up.
Yeah, he probably just had the warrants. He's stupid.
Walk this way. Hey,
Where are the
Look at me.
prongs at?
walk this way.
Probably in him.
I'm all tied up.
Yeah.
Terrified. Can you tell me exactly where they're at? Because I cannot find them. So the Southern Island Champlain, but 686, can you verify which alley